Alright, so this is how I clean it. We need an olive oil. We need dish soap. I prefer the Dawn, and if you're in the Philippines, you can use Joy. Those two brands are the best ones for grease. So they're really good with cleaning your brushes, and also especially the sponges and all. And then I have a water in here. It doesn't really have to be anything, but I use an empty one. Use that because I'm gonna put mix everything in here. Okay, so to start, like I said, I put the water in there, some olive oil. Alright, olive oil. It doesn't really have to be that much. You can just put a little bit. And then I'm gonna put the soap. Okay. So for the soap, you don't really have to put a lot, but just make sure that it's like at least blue, like light blue, like as you can see over there. So at least you know that it has good amount of soap in it. What I do with the sponges, I actually put soap on them. So make sure, like if you've used this for a while, it's gonna be hard to clean it. Wash it with water. And I'm gonna put dish soap on each one of them. So I'm doing this because I haven't cleaned this for a while. So this is gonna help get more soap in there and easier to be cleaned. Alright, so I'm gonna just rub it all over it, just so it can get soapy like that and soak up the soap. And now remember the water, I'm gonna dip it in there. Make sure you don't put too much water in there. This is too small. Okay, so as you can see, it's already taken off some of that foundation, so don't overflow the water. Just put halfway. I put too much because I put all the sponge, all of them together. So now after that, we're gonna put it in the microwave. I microwave it for 2 minutes, so make sure that don't touch it right away when you take it out. 2 minutes. Alright, so now that we got that, I'm gonna do that in the running water, and this is gonna be hot, so make sure don't do it right away. Put a little bit of cold water, not too much because you're gonna want to squeeze it, but you gotta be careful because the water is hot. Remember, look at this, I didn't even have to do anything and it's already clean. So if you use your sponge maybe like for a good 3 days or like a week, then doing that trick will be good enough, and you don't even have to keep cleaning your sponge. So you just have to run it with water, and run it some more in the water because it has hot water inside, so be careful, be very careful. So keep squeezing it until it's done with, and then you put it on the side.